This is how you can use the state and binding property wrappers in SwiftUI. I want to make a subscribe button. So here's my boolean is subscribed. Next, let's put a button here and the action. So when we tap the button, we'll go here. The label for the button will go here. So if we want the label text of that button to change based on the state of is subscribed, we put @state right there. When the button's tapped, we say is subscribed, toggle, and down here we can change the text like this. It'll always change based on is subscribed. So on sub if they are subscribed, and sub if they are not subscribed. Come down here, create a struct. We'll say custom button, make it a view like this. Come up here, copy all of this, paste it in here, change a couple things here. We're going to say binding like that, get rid of private, get rid of the initial value, come up here, change this to custom button, and is subscribed, pass in $, is subscribed, done.